Hello, I am Dr. Vijay Deshmukh, a periodontist and implantologist, practicing dental implantology for last 30 years or so. I have done my dissertation and research on implantology in 1990, and which has given direction to my life, and I decided to uh, do full justice to implantology. For over 3 decades, I am lecturing, training doctors, and done more than 10,000 implant surgical procedures. From regenerative procedures to the all and four, it's a quite a journey. So, very important question most of the time patient do ask, because we treat patient at Smilex from more than 20 countries. So definitely when we get email from international patients, the first question they ask, what is the cost of dental implants in your center and in India? So definitely I would say dental implant tourism is a big thing happening in our practice because the cost of dental implant here is almost 6 to 7 times less than what is the cost of dental implants in Europe and US. So it's very reasonable for the patient. India is a beautiful country, exotic country. Most of the patient can go for looking at Taj Mahal, or some patient who come from cold countries, they go to beaches, which is just 1 hour flight from place in Pune. So definitely we have a lot of medical tourism happening, dental tourism happening in Pune, and from all over 20 countries patients do come. They send us email, and then we have the video discussion. We take their scans and then give the estimates. So definitely it's a lot of cost saving for all our international patients, and we definitely maintain top class of implantology as we are practicing all the global brands in our practice, and for almost more than 29 years of experience with 8 to 10 different implant systems, it becomes easier to give the best to all our patients. So cost of dental implants depends on many factors. The first factor is the location of the clinic. So if you are visiting a dentist in Miami, if you are going to New York, if you are going to London, Paris, Tokyo, or if you are going to Mumbai or Pune, so definitely the real estate cost is the most important cost. Because of the real estate cost, the implants cost definitely goes high or low to our patients. But Pune is not that expensive city, so definitely the real estate is within reach. Our center is more than 3,000 square feet center with 6 operatory in-house city. All technicians are very quick in giving the prosthetics, so we are very useful to give the best treatment to our patients. So location of the clinic defines the cost of the implants in different parts of the globe. Second is the experience of implantologist. Definitely most of you would like to go to the experienced clinician, implantologist, or you'd like to go to a team of implantologists where there is a prosthodontist, where there is an implant surgeon, where there is a technician, well-developed labs. So these all things definitely can add to the cost. So for example, I have almost 3 decades of experience in implantology. So definitely I am going to charge a slightly more charges than someone who is going to start the practice. So definitely implantology is a precision procedure, right? For me, an simple implant can take just 10 to 12, 15 minutes time. A beginner can take 1 hour time. So definitely your exposure to the local anesthesia is much less. So when you go to the experienced implantologist, the success rate is very high. Our success rate is 99.5%. So then the cost depends on the dental implant brands. What brand of implants you choose. So for example, we are having a system called B&B from Italy. It's a good implant, very good implant, and it comes at very affordable cost to the patient. But sometimes patient who wants to go for Noble Care, and Noble Care implants are also being given by our practice, definitely the cost is more. Sometimes patient wants Straumann implants, and then definitely we can do Straumann implants. So we have three different implant systems in our practice. So VNB from Italy, then Double Care and Straumann. And most of the procedures can comfortably be done. So dental implant brands, what brand you select depending on that, the cost also changes. So use of graft material is also very important, because a lot of times the bone is deficient and we have to use a lot of membranes and a lot of graft, and definitely that time the cost of implant do changes patient to patient. Then the type of processes, what you are looking at, basically what type of crown, whether you are looking for a simple PFM ceramic crown, or you're looking for zirconia crown, or nowadays there are a lot of graphite and latest materials are there. So what type of basically crowns you're looking at, the cost will vary from city to city, laboratory to laboratory, expertise will definitely change. Then the cost of implant changes from center of excellence like ours, Smilex International Dental Implant Center. You can visit our website and see www.smilex.co.in, and you can see that our center is center of excellence. So definitely a center of excellence will charge little premium, but that is all for your comfort, because you will be welcomed here with a mineral water, you will be offered a coffee here, you will be kept in a lounge. So definitely that all adds to the cost. So center of excellence definitely gives you better quality of work, and therefore slightly more charges are there. Then the cost also depends upon the immediate versus delayed implants. So we do all and four very routinely in our practice. So if you are wearing an old denture and you want an all and four, it is pretty quick, so the cost of temporization also goes less in that time. And we can place one implant. So it's like you drive in with your dentures, and we can convert that dentures on an all and four acrylic teeth. And within no time, just 1.5 hours under local anesthesia. All our implant procedures are done under local anesthesia, and we are absolutely comfortable in our patient, and there is no issue with the success of most of our cases. So we have very high success rate. We are centrally located in India, and then you can travel from here to any part of India if you want to go for beaches, if you want to go to look at the Taj Mahal, if you want to go to see the historic India, you can always go. So dental tourism is very much happening in Pune city, and the city has lovely hotels like Marriott, there are Sheraton, and top brands are there. So definitely you can be very comfortable in these hotels, and our team will definitely take care of your stay in India. So cost of dental implant is definitely a very important aspect, because you are coming for cost saving from your country, and we want to give the best whatever we can do in the least amount of time you are spending with us. So send us your email, send us your scans on our email IDs given above, and then possibly we can help you with the quotations. And definitely I promise you that me and my team will take a good care of you here in Pune, and you will get outstanding dental implant restoration. So happy smiling to you, and welcome to Smilex.